left entry chicane, 3 bales, 15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Easy right, up to left entry chicane.
Definitely go quicker there a bit.
All the way up to right entry chicane, 2 bales. Right entry and then up to right, hairpin right. And then medium left. Up to medium right, medium left. Then slowing right onto the grass, just here. We're slowing right onto the tar for a medium left up to hairpin going right. Hairpin right. 9 left and then 9 left. Then we're going all the way around the roundabout to the left. And then slotting 9 left off it. All the way up to the arrows, go slotting 9 left, and then it goes medium left. Just here. And then medium left, over the jump. And then going 9 right. Then medium left, medium right. Up to 9 right. Then 9 left, then 9 right. Long, easy right. Tightens to 9 right with rocks inside.
Yeah.
Keep going. Here.
See it? Yeah.
Straight down to 9 right again. It's a double apex 9 right. Up to hairpin left. To left entry chicane. 1 bale.
Yep,
down to 9 left, 9 right. Medium right, medium left. And then medium left, medium right. Keep it tidy on the medium right. Round to left entry chicane, 1 bale. Down to all the way around the roundabout to the left. We're going all the way around like that. And slowing 9 left here.
Yeah.
To medium right. Up to hairpin left. That's it, up to hairpin left. Down to 9 left and then 9 left again. 9 left again, then hairpin right onto big jump. then medium right, and we're splitting right. For medium right into right entry chicane, tight. 9 left, 9 right.
Yeah.
Up to merge. It's clear. All the way up to right entry chicane. To hairpin right. Medium left. To medium right, medium left. And then slowing onto the grass. Hair coming off it.
Yeah.
To medium right. And then medium left, hairpin right. To 9 left, 9 left.
Fuck knows. And that's fuel actually.
Up to all the way around the roundabout to the left. Slot 9 left. Up to the end on the arrows, going 9 left. And then medium left. Over the jump, going 9 right. Medium left to medium right. Up to 9 right. Nine left, 9 right. Easy right, all the way around to 9 right, tightens, rocks inside. And then we're going 9 right round the shipping container. Up to hairpin left. Hairpin left. Up to left entry chicane. Then 9 left, 9 right. To medium right, medium left. And then medium left, medium right. Up to left entry chicane, 1 bail. Down to tight roundabout, going all the way around to slot 9 left. Slotting 9 left. Up to medium right. Then up to hairpin left. Down to 9 left, 9 left. And then 9 left again, up to hairpin right and onto the bridge. Medium right down the other end, and this time we're splitting right. Left, sorry, splitting left, yeah. For left entry chicane.
See it?
And another chicane. All the way down to hairpin right. That's you in. That's you in. That's it.
Okay, got you. You'd really benefit from knowing that stage, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Okay.
Jesus.
Go forward.
That's...
12:19. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I'm fucking breathing now.
Warm. You cut through there again.
Yeah. Nice jump that big jumpy, big double.
Double bouncer.
Double dinner. Horrible compression at the bottom of it.
It is a horrible, horrible compression.
You should actually probably take a late apex round there, but straight over to find out what the time is. Knock 10 seconds off.
So we're 9:56 we were.
Aye.